Good morning. Here we are in the gym. We are here for a ab burner routine. Saturday's kind of what I call the ab burner day. It's kind of been a process of getting back to 1 minute core exercises, and each exercise, like I say, is done at 1 minute, and there's 15 core exercises. It's a Pilates routine, and started out a few months ago at 30-second intervals, and then increased the intervals every few weeks until we got back to a minute. So anyway, we've been in a minute for a while now, ready to hit it hard. So welcome to Sojourner Vision. We're gonna get this longevity training in, and then we're gonna head out on a walk, and after the walk, we'll come back and chat. So anyway, let's get down on the mat and get this done. Here we go, let's hit it. Saturday's ab burner is done. All right. Yeah, it was a little bit taxing given I was a little worn out from yesterday's. I think I worked from 7 to 7, so, and not behind the desk, on my feet and on the mower. Just kind of wore me out. So anyway, yeah, it went well. I didn't, I'm struggling less with even the 100. Not that it isn't difficult, they're difficult for sure. The 100 and the lower lift, they're still the marker moves, but tell you what, they're getting more manageable every time we do this. So I'm looking forward to continuing this ab burner. And man, if those two become easy, maybe I'll increase to 1:05. I don't know. I'm still focusing on like the rolling. The other one, like the scissors. I don't know. I mean, you're holding your leg up and the other leg's out straight. Not sure what that's supposed to work. I need to look that up. The scissor move. There's another one too. that I'm doing that I wonder. The single legs, double leg lifts, those are good. Single leg stretch. Yeah, anyway, I'm more on a focus for getting each move to where I'm engaging the abs as much as I can so I can get good work out of it. Of course, you know, you do that stuff and it makes the marker moves more difficult because you're getting more ab work out of the other thing. So, but that's the way it works. That's what I want. I want my abs to get strong. So anyway, we did the ab core, ab workout, the ab burner. Then we went out on a walk and I did jog. I couldn't stand it. And I broke the 12-minute barrier. I'm 11:58, I think. So yeah, I think my body's used to what I did yesterday already. I didn't try to. Once I did the first interval, then I did kind of work at it. But the first interval was pretty natural. And you know, always I've kind of built up to the end, and same thing. But when I got to the end, I knew I was going pretty good. And I would say I'm getting into a slow run now, not the whole stretch, but by the time I get to the end, I start out as a jog, maybe a little more than halfway through, I'm hitting a slow run. So yeah, did three walk splits and 3 jog splits. So, and then the last walk split was a cool down. So anyway, we'll let you guys go. You guys have a great Saturday. This is Sojourner Vision. You guys get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace. You guys go do it. All right, we'll see you later. You guys take care. Have a great weekend. See you Monday. See ya.